Adding your customers to QuickBooks makes it easier for you to invoice them and see who owes you money. Let's go over the customers list and look at 2 ways to add customers to QuickBooks. Then, we'll show you what info shows up in an invoice. First, select Sales and then Customers to see the customers list. This shows you all your customers and what they owe you. You can filter this list by estimates, overdue invoices, all open invoices, or who's paid you recently. Select a customer to see the transactions you've had with them. Select Edit to update any of their contact information. To add a customer to QuickBooks, select New Customer, enter the customer's name, and whatever other information you might need. You can always add more information later. The only required field is Display Name As. It's a unique name you give to the customer to track their open balance and other information. You can use the same name you used to create their profile or give them a new one. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at what else you can do. Tax Info allows you to enter the customer's tax registration or VAT number. Under Payment and Billing, you can assign custom terms for the customer. This tells your customer how many days they have to pay you when you send them an invoice. You can select the language of the invoice for your customer or add attachments. Once you have finished entering your customer's information, select Save. If you need to add several customers, instead of entering them in one by one, you can import them from our spreadsheet. Go to the Customers list and select Import Customers. Attach the spreadsheet and select Next. Then map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. Select Next. If everything looks good, select Import, and all these customers will be added to QuickBooks. You can see the customers we just added here in the list. Want to change the info that appears on the customers list? Select the gear icon and check the box for the columns you want to see on the list. Now that you have customer information in QuickBooks, whenever you create a transaction for them, QuickBooks automatically populates many transaction fields for you. For example, if we create a new invoice and select one of our new customers, we can see that all the customer information and terms are automatically filled in. So now, you just need to fill in what you sold to them and the amount. Start adding customers to your QuickBooks and make it easy to get paid and see who owes you money.